What's up, guys? It's Mr. Michaels. I'm back with my second video for learning hockey skills indoors. Again, have yourself a broom or mop, but again, I like the broom because you got the big bottom. You will need the water bottles for this one. I would suggest having 3 or 4 or empty juice bottles. And again, the socks that we rolled up to make balls, and we showed you how to do this in the last video. So in the last video, we had set 2 bottles apart. I believe I used 2 lotion bottles and was practicing how to hit the ball in between those bottles. What we're gonna do now is take some water bottles. I've already got 2 down, and I'm gonna line them up next to each other. So now what I wanna do is use my socks or whatever you're using for a ball, and I'm going to try to knock down those bottles by hitting them. So the first thing I want to show you to make this easier is how I have the balls lined up. So instead of looking all over trying to hit them, I just have them lined up next to each other, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it'll make it very easy for me to hit. And I'm going to go over the fundamentals again on how you want to hold your stick. So again, 2 hands, 1, 2. The hand that you write with should probably be at the bottom. That's your strong hand. Keep your hands spaced apart. You want to bend your knees and move those hips and try to use the ball and knock down those bottles. So here I go. I got 1, 2. I got 1 more shot. Oh, almost. Not too bad. 3 out of 4. Okay, so that's another activity we can do as far as practicing how to shoot. The second part of this video, we want to learn how to be a goalie. And again, like soccer, that's that person who sits in front of the goal and tries to prevent people from scoring. And the goalie, much like soccer, you can use your hands, because typically with hockey, you can only use your stick to move the ball or puck. But if you're the goalie, you can stop your opponent from scoring with your legs, your feet, whatever you can to keep that ball from going into the net. So what I would do, let me see. I'll make a big goal here with 2 bottles. Get the balls out the way so it's not a distraction. And let me see if you can see my bottles there. So we got 1, 2, and I would stand in front. When you're playing goalie, you want to be somewhere in between those bottles, have your knees bent, 2 hands on the stick, and you want to, get as low as you can so that whenever that ball is coming, and I don't have anybody to throw it at me, but I'll throw it off the wall. And whenever it's coming, you can just use your stick to stop it, and then once you stop it, you can hit the ball back out to a teammate, okay? So that's what being the goalie is. Again, same as soccer, except you have your hockey stick, and if this were a hockey game, you would have a lot of equipment on to protect yourself. A mask, some pads, because that ball or that puck is coming fast and furious, and we don't want you to get hurt, okay? So that's it. That's part 2 of our hockey skills. Practice, practice, practice. You'll get better and better, and hockey's a lot of fun, all right? That's all I got for now, guys. I'll see you next time.